Selling and looking to reap a sweet return for the hours of blood, sweat, and tears that you have poured into your home? Well, here are a few top ways you can maximize profits while selling your home. First of all, cleanliness is one of the most important things you can do when selling. Top to bottom, you'll want to do a deep clean and then regular touch-up cleanings before each showing. Now, if you're looking to make any investments as far as improvements, you will see the highest ROI or return on investment from things like new flooring, fresh paint, and lighting. Staging is especially crucial if your home has spaces that buyers may find a little confusing in their purpose and maximizing that space. There's no need to drop big bucks. In fact, this is a courtesy marketing piece that we add for all of our sellers. If your home is vacant and clean in great condition, we may skip the staging process altogether or bring in key pieces again so buyers can see how a room is purposely used. Make sure you hire a realtor who is very familiar with the area to price accordingly and negotiate strong on your behalf, as well as has an aggressive marketing plan so that your home is presented in the best way to the most buyers to make sure and give you the exposure to bring that top price you're looking for. Keep in mind now, if you are not planning to move in the next 4 to 6 years, don't worry about what the future buyer is looking for when making a decision about your home. You should love your home that you live in. And by all means, if that includes adding an adventurous paint color to a focus wall, then go for it and enjoy. If you are looking for a consultation of what home changes you can make to maximize a price for a sell in 6 months to a year, even 2, feel free to reach out. We would be happy to set a consultation just as a courtesy to go through what will make your home stand out in our current market, as well as when we look into future markets possible. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your home, and let's make great decisions together to maximize your future profit.